Welcome to the King Closers YouTube channel. Now you might be asking yourself, who would give themselves such a ridiculous nickname like the King Closer? Well, my competitors actually gave me that title when I beat them in back-to-back Closers Olympics. Now, as the King Closer, I'm on a mission to eliminate all excuses anyone would have to not succeed as a virtual wholesaler. So this YouTube channel is dedicated to you and making sure that I unlock all the secrets that you would need to succeed as a virtual wholesaler or as a real estate investor. Now, let's break down how we're going to be able to deliver this content to you. But before we do that, I need you to do me a favor. Right here, I need you to click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So every time I release new awesomeness, you get notified that it's been released. Now, the first thing that you're going to see right below this video is a section called For You. Now, this section is not controlled by me. This is just what YouTube believes you would like to watch based off of your algorithm. Underneath that, though, is the most important playlist that we have. It's the Foundations for Virtual Wholesaling. Now, if you're new to wholesaling or if you're struggling in wholesaling, I recommend you watch each and every one of the videos on this playlist. And I can almost guarantee you that you're going to receive more value out of that playlist alone than you would out of any paid mentorship that you currently have. Now, next is going to be the most recently released videos. This is just videos released in chronological order. So if you're ever curious about what I've most recently released, that's where you'll be able to find it. Next up, as the King Closer, of course, we have to have a playlist of live seller calls. Listen, I'm not going to rest on my laurels over here. I got to keep showing you guys that I know how to close deals and really do this business. So this playlist is a highlight reel of all of my live seller calls. Next up, we've got the King Closer Reacts playlist. Now, this is a reaction series of me watching other people close deals live, and as the King Closer, me giving some feedback on whether or not I feel like that person is truly a closer or not. The next playlist is the Closers Cage Match playlist. Now, this is where I have one of my competitors, sometimes a friend, sometimes not, like Steve Train, and I bring them on and we go call for call with sellers live to see who can close more deals in about a 2.5 hour call session. Also, if you've ever wondered what it's like to truly be a virtual wholesaler, the next playlist is my 50 deals in 50 states in 50 days playlist, where I went live on YouTube 8 hours a day for 50 days straight doing nothing but real estate acquisitions. So if you want to see what it takes to be a nationwide virtual wholesaler, that playlist is for you. Back in 2017, I started a podcast called The Titaniumvault, hosted by RJ Bates III. And the key was I wanted to unlock the secrets to real estate investing and wholesaling. I brought on guests and I've interviewed them for the past 8 years. This playlist right here is a collection of all of those interviews. But over the course of time, I found myself enjoying interviews, but I wanted to show more of my personality. So I decided I wanted to create a different type of podcast, comedy one, where I roast people, kind of in the tune of Between Two Ferns. Between Two Belts is the next playlist, and this is comedy, and it's a little raunchy, but it's all in good fun. So if you want a good laugh, check out the Between Two Belts playlist. Next up, we have my most painful playlist. Oh, that's effing adorable. This is where I tell stories about deals that have gone wrong, or maybe just something in my business that's gone wrong. And I share that story so you guys can learn from the trials and tribulations of being a wholesaler and or just an entrepreneur. I hope you enjoyed that playlist. I don't really enjoy telling the stories and reliving those painful memories. And last up, we have interviews. This is where I've been interviewed by other people on their podcast or on their YouTube channel. And I always want to share these because they're enlightening and it's fun to see the different interviews that I've had over the past decade of being a real estate investor and entrepreneur. So those are all of the ways that we're going to deliver content for you guys. Now, my suggestion is pick the playlist that resonates with you, consume all of that content, make sure you give the videos a like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and let's go close some deals.